Trader Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com with my daily recap. I know the audio doesn't sound the best. I'm recording once more on my laptop. I'm not in front of my typical recording equipment, so bear with me. I'm gonna try to keep this really quick. That way you don't have to endure such poor quality when it comes to recording. But keeping my promise to do a video every single day, I will press on. So before we get into a recap of the overall market, today is Friday, so I want to say TGIF, right? It's Friday. You made it. The weekend is upon you. So if you are returning or if this is your first time, I want to say welcome and welcome back. Do me a solid in the comment section. Drop us a comment. Right now, on your screen, what you're looking at, so we're going to jump into, obviously, I didn't do the best segue, but we're going to jump in right now to a recap of the overall market. So right now, what you're looking at on your screen is the SPY. S&P 500 daily chart dating back to 2017. Why do I always recap the SPY and the IWM? Well, because I always say overall markets first, individual stocks second. Not to sound like a broken record, but you need to know what the overall markets is doing because it will make sense in terms of what your stock is doing. Individual stocks usually follow the market. Anyway, the SPY daily chart dating back to 2017. We had a decent day today on, I believe, less than average volume. We closed at 301.59. It looks like the market is actually gearing up to break out and to continue trending up, which will be a good thing. Obviously, we need to get above that all-time high level, but I believe it was 302.53. Let's see, what was that? Yeah, somewhere around there. I think it was like 302.53 or 73, something like that. Anyway, sitting at 301.59, we are like perhaps less than a percentage point away from all-time high. So that's actually a good thing. Heading into next week, I suspect that the market is going to make an attempt to actually rally. What would be a sign that the market is on that trajectory or on that path? I want to say you want to start paying attention to how the market closes. If we close at any point above that 302 or 303 level, which I suspect we might do next week, it looks like the market is on its way. So be prepared and buckle up. What else? All right, you have then the IWM daily chart dating back to 2017 again, so around 2 years worth of data. We closed at 154.98, up about 0.52% on the day. I suspect the IWM will follow the suit of the SPY, meaning I suspect if the SPY breaks out next week, meaning it retests those all-time high levels of around 302 and it continues to trend higher, I suspect the IWM will also see an increase in price. So what are we paying attention to? Obviously, we want to pay attention to that resistance level of $160, that level that has served as resistance for the past 2 or so years. It is a huge psychological barrier to break through. You can just see it on the screen. We've had a tremendously difficult and hard time actually sustaining a break, but I suspect once again the market looks like it wants to inch higher. So heading into next week, let's see if the IWM that didn't make any sense. Let's see if the IWM will make a chance or an attempt at breaching 160 and actually sustaining that move. And that's what I'm going to be paying attention to heading into next week. What else? All right, so we're going to wrap it up and round it out with ticker XNET. Huge congrats to the bulls. The stock is up about over 100% on the day. I see a quote here of $4.82. We're down a bit in after hours, down about 1.45%. I see a quote of 475. So not too much. We didn't lose too much ground in after hours. So again, huge congrats to the bulls. You can see the confirming volume here. Big green bar. It seems as though it's bucked that downtrend that started in late 2017, early 2018. So clearly momentum is on the side for ticker XNET. So heading into Monday, you definitely want to pay attention to how the stock opens up, right? So if we open up above 482 and we can sustain that move, I can see, let's draw, I can see perhaps the stock getting to, oh, that's not drawing, that's moving. Let's see. I can see the stock getting perhaps to around that $5.30 level to around that $5.50 level. that is resistance. I suspect that bears might step in around that level. So that's my take on ticker XNET. We are going to cap it there because it's Friday and I'm not sure who is listening to this on a Friday, but if it's you, I want to say thank you so much. Anyway, Tina here once again from ShortMeTina.com. If you enjoyed any portion of this video, I'd like for you to do 3 things for me. 1, comment in the comment section. What did you think about my analysis? Even if the audio is not that great, comment. 2, I do videos daily. If you want to make sure you do not miss any, make sure you are subscribed at our YouTube channel at ShortMeTina. And lastly, I'm going to try to slow it down right now. Lastly, my friend, I've been trading for well over 15 years. If you think you can learn anything from me, then definitely head on over to our website, ShortMeTina.com. Sign up, become a member. Thank you for listening. And as always, thank you for the support. I will talk to you on Monday. Enjoy your weekend.